going on, guys? It's your boy Nas. Welcome back to another video. Today I'll be talking about ticker symbol NIO. So this stock I've been patiently waiting since last Friday. It was around $58 in change, and my prediction was if it lowers below that $58, I'm definitely gonna get into it. Then in the morning, it kind of skyrocketed to $64. I was like, oh my god, I might not be able to get into it because it just went up like what, $6. I was like, I was panicking, to be honest with you guys. To be honest, I was not intended to buy this stock until today, when the stock went from $64 to $61. I was like, you know what, I had to buy this before it goes up more than what it is right now. So what kind of got me into this stock is based on the news, and based on Saturday in the weekends, where they rebuild one of their brand new sedan electric car, which surprisingly skyrocketed this company in the market. I mean, like, dude, this was what, $58 last week. Now it's almost above $60. I was super surprised. I was like, oh, you know what? Today, Monday morning, it's gonna, it's gonna dip a little bit before it goes high. I'm gonna buy in. My limit was, if it dips to $55, 56, I'm definitely buying. Well, even if it was like in the $58 range, I was gonna buy this stock just because this stock is amazing, guys. So what I wanna let's talk about NIO, what they have done today. They went up about 6.42%, starting from early in the morning until, like, until 4. Then the aftermarket, they kind of dipped, and I was like, I gotta buy this right now before it goes back up. Then soon to realize what happened to this stock, kind of it kind of made me worry a little bit. My my expectation of this stock was, even after hours, it's gonna keep going up. I'm like, wait, it dropped a couple bucks. I gotta definitely invest on this stock right away. I bought about 3 shares, which is about $61.45. That's what I spend on each stock. Currently losing just $1.27, just because they dipped a little bit and they're struggling to go back to where the price was. Market capital is $96 billion, with a weekly high of 66.99. I also heard that JC Morgan PT was $75, so I'm kind of excited about that, to be honest. I'm very excited about this, because once it hits $75, my prediction of NIO stock is gonna be what, about $100 within, early, not even, yeah, you could say early 2021. I predict that this stock is gonna go to $100, just because it's one of the top IV stock to get into, just because it's even though the stock is still, below Tesla. This stock is doing an amazing job with their electric cars, and especially what they announced on a Saturday. They merged with, I think, ticker symbol NVIDA, Nevada. I'm not sure if I'm saying that right. So guys, let's talk about a few things before we, in this video, guys. So 2 days ago, as you know, most of you guys already read this, the company NIO was trading solidly higher Monday as investor digest break to advance the company announced at its NIO Day on Saturday. Thanks to the stock rally following NIO Day, the IV manufacturer hit milestone of achieving 100 billion market capitalization in Monday's sessions. That journey to the 100 billion capital has been very fairly quickly. To put in perspective, it took 2 years and 4 months for NIO to get to what they were trying to achieve, which was, $100 billion or even more, and they already had this. They expected to get this number maybe later on in the future, but it was doing so great, as it was saying that as opposite to be able to decade for its larger American rival Tesla. NIO is now the third most valued automaker after Tesla and Toyota Corp. The market capitalization of Tesla and Toyota are around 803 billion and 250 billion respectively. NIO trailing 12-month price sales ratio is 40 compared to 28.50 for Tesla, which makes this Chinese company share price higher. So on the Wall Street have raised concern about NIO valuation, which they see as unsustainable, which I don't think so. To be honest, I don't think this company is, unsustainable. I think it's just gonna do way better than Tesla. To be honest, me predicting this stock is gonna go $100 within a couple of months, or maybe less than a couple of months. I am not gonna be surprised. This company is doing so good right now. Honestly, I'm gonna buy more of the stocks as soon as I see a little bit more dip. I'm gonna probably get maybe a couple more, just because I am. This stock is gonna be a long term for me. As like I said on other videos, sometime I do talk about my portfolio. Um, I started investing a couple of months ago. This year I want my portfolio to have very good, strong, long-term stocks that I could really, be really see potentials and gains over a couple of years to come. So then, what really got me worried, guys, what really got me worried is the fact that once this news came out, the stock market of the NIO went from what, $62 or $61 and change to all the way to 58. That got me worried. I was like, wait, I could have bought this share a lot cheaper. What just happened? Like, what just happened? As you know, let's read what happened an hour ago. NIO Industries said late Monday will offer 1.3 billion in convertible notes splits into 650 million in notes due on 2026 and the other 650 million due the year after. That net proceeded will go mostly to general corporate purchase or purposes and to further strengthen cash and balance sheet position. So I was what I've seen is the fact that most of you guys sold your stock because of this news. The way it dropped to all the way to $58, I feel like that's when a lot of people started to sell their stocks because they were trying to lose their profit and they don't want that to happen, so they sold it, which was, I don't know, which was kind of dumb, I guess. To be honest, this stock just did that not because of what the news came in. This is actually good. Let me read a little bit more. China-based electric car maker said NIO American depository receipt ended at a record of 62.70 on Monday, up more than 7% on its NIO day. On Saturday, the company unveiled the newest vehicle, which is the new electric luxury sedan, and they also announced some high tech technology, which NIO's ADR have gained about 1,700% in the past 12 months compared with gains around. So, guys, that news, I'm pretty sure most of you guys got really worried and sold your stock. And let me tell you why this news is not bad. It's actually good. And you should still get into this stock and buy your shares back, because that's dumb, guys. So NIO Industry convertible notes are not the same as public offering, where shares are added to the float, aka dilution. So you guys thought it was basically a dilution that happened. Senior notes are essentially debt that can be converted into equity, if I'm pronouncing that right. It's fundamentally bullish offering since investors are expecting a equity payment. So what that is the fact that most of you guys worried. You guys just worried that this stock is gonna go down because of this news. This is a good news, guys. This is them trying to pay off and telling investing their money onto notes where once their stock gets higher, that basically means they're able to get back their shares that they paid, then gain more once their stock is up. Honestly, guys, my prediction to the stock is 100%, 75 or even $100. To be honest, $100 is more where I think it's gonna go to, just because this company is the largest IV company in China, and China is very good with their high techs, and when it comes to building cars and other technologies, I feel like you should still invest on this stock. Go get yourself NIO, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have a nice day. If you haven't subscribed, go subscribe to this video, guys. Hit that like, click that notification. Alright, guys, and I'm signing out. Okay,